Top 10 Most Beautiful Birds in the World. Number 10. The Wood Duck. Known for its rainbow-colored feathers, the wood duck is one of the most stunning birds found in North America. Its glossy green, purple, and chestnut shades make it truly eye-catching. Number 9. The Golden Pheasant. This bird from China is famous for its bright golden yellow crest and red body. The combination of colors makes it look like a painting brought to life. Number 8. The Keel-Billed Toucan. Found in Central and South America, this bird is known for its large, colorful beak. It's playful, social, and symbolizes tropical beauty. Number 7. The Painted Bunting. Often called a flying rainbow, the painted bunting displays blue, green, red, and yellow feathers that look unreal in sunlight. Number 6. The Peacock. Perhaps the most famous of all, the peacock is admired for its royal blue feathers and magnificent tail fan covered with shimmering eye spots. Number 5. The Flamingo. These pink birds live in groups and are symbols of elegance. Their unique color comes from the food they eat, mostly shrimp and algae. Number 4. The Scarlet Macaw. Native to the rainforests of South America, the Scarlet Macaw is known for its bright red, yellow, and blue feathers and its strong intelligence. Number 3. The Resplendent Quetzal. Found in Central America, the Quetzal is an ancient symbol of freedom and beauty, with long green tail feathers and a shimmering golden chest. Number 2. The Mandarin Duck. Often called the world's most beautiful duck, it features striking patterns of orange, blue, and white, truly a masterpiece of nature. Number 1. The Bird of Paradise. Native to Papua New Guinea, this bird is known for its unbelievable colors and dance-like displays during courtship. It's the ultimate example of natural beauty.